Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today, I choose question 8 and the function is like this. Then, firstly, we have to differentiate the fx become like this. Secondly, we have to substitute the x into the fx. X is 0.5 and we have to substitute the x to the fx and we enter the answer negative 0.91250, and we have to bear in our mind that we have to use 6 decimal places of our answers. Then we substitute we have to know the previous value, the current value, and the future value. So we substitute the previous value into the fx. We enter 1.103516. The current value 0.5 we substitute to the fx. We enter 0.92500, and the future value 0.75 we substitute to the fx. We enter 0.63633. Then we can, from this value, we can know the forward difference approximation, backward difference approximation, and center divided difference. So firstly, we find the forward difference approximation with this formula, and we substitute the future value on this formula and we minus with the current value. We end at negative 1.154688. Then, secondly, we go to backward difference approximation with this formula. Current value minus the previous value minus over with h. The current value 0.92500 minus with the previous value 1.103516 over 0.25, and we can get the answer negative 0.714064. Lastly, we go to center divided difference with this formula. The formula is the future value minus with the previous value over 2h. So 0.636328 minus with 1.103516 over 2 times 0.25. We can get the answer negative 0.935376. From this, we can determine the relative error of percentage with this formula. The value that we get from here, f differentiate f and substitute with 0.5, we can get this value. We will subtract with the, for example, this is the previous value, so we can get the percentage of the value is 26.541151%. After that, we check the percentage of the value for the current value. This value we minus with the current value we get from here for backward different approximation, and we divide with the value we times with 100, we can get 21.746411%. Lastly, we subtract this value with the center divided difference. We divided with this value, we times with 100%, and we get 2.397370%. From this calculation, we can make a conclusion that the center divided difference gives the smallest percent of relative error. That's all for me. Thank you.